Ready. Start. Judgment. The case sent out by the plaintiff is that on 12 March 2012, the plaintiff was medically examined wide CR number 3550 dated 12 March 2012 by the defendant number Dr. Mridu Chaudhary, HOD, Ophthalmology, Bhagatpur Singh Government Medical College for Women, Khanpur, Kalan, for cataract in her left eye. All the tests required for cataract surgery were done etc. The operating doctor wrongly, illegally forced the plaintiff to arrange the lens from the local market. In fact, the quality lenses were available in the BPS Medical Hospital, Kanpur. The plaintiff and her husband told that they cannot arrange the lens from the local market, so the husband of the plaintiff met with the defendant number 1 regarding the arrangement of the lens. Wu told that quality lenses are available in the hospital and there is no need to purchase the same from the market. When the plaintiff and her husband showed their inability and availability of the lenses in the hospital, the defendant number 3 became furious and cut the jelly, the place of give aid protection for lens to be fitted knowingly, intentionally, without knowledge of the plaintiff and her attendant. She caused the defect in the operation of left eye of the plaintiff so that the lens should not be CIS number 604 of 2015, Nirmala Devi etc. versus Director BPS etc. 19 fitted in her eye. The husband of the plaintiff and the plaintiff complained the matter to defendant number 1 and 5 that though the plaintiff left eye has been operated for cataract, but the lens has not been fitted. When the defendant number 1 and 5 called the defendant number 3, she straightway said that the lens would be fitted after 2 months period. However, the plaintiff visited the defendant's institute time again as per advice of the treating operating doctor. Plaintiff told the problem of oozing of the water out of both eyes, decreasing of vision of right eye, also pains in the left eye also. However, the defendant number 3 referred the plaintiff to Saint Stephen Hospital, Delhi for further treatment by saying that there is no possibility to fix lens in the left eye of the plaintiff. Then the plaintiff was got treated from Saint Stephen Hospital. Then the plaintiff was taken by husband to Dr. Rajinder Prasad Netar Vigyan Kendra, Akhil Bhartiya Ayurvigyan Hospital, AIIMS, New Delhi. The plaintiff is under treatment from there, but till plaintiff's left eye could not be recovered due to wrong operation performed by the defendant number 3. The life of the plaintiff has been ruined on all counts. The husband of the plaintiff contacted the defendant number 1 and 5, who called the defendant number 3 for rechecking her eye and to set the lens, but nothing was heard by the defendant number 3 for rechecking her eyes and to set the lens, but nothing was heard by the defendant number 3 at all. The husband of the plaintiff moved complaints to the defendant number 1 time again. The defendant number 1 telephonically called the plaintiff and her husband for hearing on 7/11/2012 at 2 p.m. Then the defendant referred them to defendant number 2, who badly insulted them. CIS number 604 of 2015, Nirmala Devi etc. versus Director BPS etc. 19, and shunted out them from his office, which gravely caused shock. Thus, husband of the plaintiff complained to defendant number 1 on 18/12/2012. The plaintiff and her husband were called to the attend the office of defendant number 2 on 20 November 2012 regarding checkup of the left eye of plaintiff, but since the defendant number 2 did not listen to their problem due to ill behavior of defendants, the plaintiff and her husband refused to appear before him in the inquiry proceedings. The plaintiff and her husband were called to appear before defendant number 3 regarding the complaint of the husband of the plaintiff. The plaintiff got served legal notice upon the defendants. However, the defendant number 1 sent reply of the legal notice, which is very much evasive, false, wrong, which is only on false pretexts. The fact was confirmed by the doctors of the Saint Stephen's Hospital, Delhi, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad Netar Vigyan Kendra AIIMS New Delhi, Narang Hospital, Sonipat etc. regarding performing of wrong operation of plaintiff. Thus, it is implied clear from the above facts that the defendant number 3, while operating the left eye of the plaintiff, compelled her to become blind by both eyes by removing the jelly. In this way, the defendants are liable to pay compensation of rupees 5 lakh to the plaintiff due to above misdeeds as damages and compensations claimed for. All the defendants are liable jointly and severally and severally to pay damages to the plaintiff for the sufferings inflicted upon her by the illegal and dishonest acts of the defendant number 1, 2, 3 and 5 under the control and caution of the defendant number 4. Hence, hence need arose to file the present suit. Defendant number 1, 4 and 5 appeared and filed joint written statement and reply stating that the plaintiff was diagnosed with case of immature cataract left eye CIS number 607 of 2015 Nirmala Devi etc versus Director BPS etc 19 and was planned for cataract surgery. The power of intraocular lens implanted had been calculated in advance plus 24 OD and small incision cataract surgery SICS with posterior chamber intraocular lens PCIOL was planned on 13 March 2012. All required pre-operative drugs were given including topical antibiotic and systemic anti-glaucoma drugs. It is submitted that written informed consent was given by the plaintiff's husband for surgery. It is patient